let's play through Blue Christmas. Feel free to review the tutorial for anything you might need. I'm just going to launch right in here. The only thing I'll say is we'll use the last 2 lines of the whole song as an intro, and we'll also use those last 2 lines as a tag at the end. So we'll be going back to that G minor chord a couple times. Again, might be good to review the tutorial before we dive in here. All right, here we go, starting on G minor. 1, 2, swing, strum, 1, 2, 3, A7, 1, 2, 3, D minor, that beautiful diminished chord, G7 for 2, and back to C. Here we go. I'll have a blue Christmas without you. I'll be so blue just thinking about you. Decorations of red on a green Christmas tree won't be the same, dear, if you're not here with me. Then when those blue snowflakes start falling, that's when those blue memories start calling. You'll be doing alright with your Christmas of white, but I'll have a blue Christmas. Take a moment on that C chord. We'll try it all again. I'll have a blue Christmas without you. I'll be so blue just thinking about you. Decorations of red on a green Christmas tree won't be the same, dear, if you're not here with me. And when those blue snowflakes start falling, that's when those blue memories start calling. You'll be doing alright with your Christmas of white, but I'll have a blue Christmas. One more time, back to G minor. You'll be doing alright with your Christmas of white, but I'll have a blue Christmas. And on C. Beautiful job. Come on back, practice with me anytime you need. As you know, enjoy.